What's going on, Fearless Gang? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about how to make switch ups in your beats, completely flipping the beat 180. So if you're ready for this, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, we're going to make a beat switch up right in this area here for the second part of the drop that we have going. So we're going to do a couple things to build it up, because you obviously can't just have a switch up. We have to build some tension and put some FX and crazy things in there to distract them and then do it. Alright, so on your master you can put down halftime plugin right here, and you can play with the different settings on here for the timing, and you can pick something that seems to work well. So I think normally it's set on 1 bar. And then, so we're putting this on the master, so everything's going to be in halftime. Alright, and you can go through the different settings and find the best one. Alright, so that one sounds the best to me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to listen for the elements that I don't want it to be on. What things sound bad? So for sure we don't want it to be on the 808. We don't want it to be on the kick either. We're going to come up with a different kick pattern so we can fake those things. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to deactivate my 808 note so that doesn't affect me. And I'm going to take the halftime off of the premium. Actually, I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to delete it. What we're going to do is we're going to paste it on the lead. And then we're going to go into halftime, onto device on in here. And then we're just going to modulate it off the whole time, and then it comes on right here. And then it's going to go out again. Since I liked it on all the drum elements, I'm just going to put that on the whole drum group as well. And cool, it copied this over for me as well. So I didn't want it to be on the kick, and I didn't want it to be on the 808. The kick I'm still going to use, so the way to get around this, to change it up, is I'm just going to lower the kick down another octave. Because what halftime is doing is it's just lowering it down an octave and then cutting it into different chunks. So if there's any elements that you don't like how they sound but you still want them to be in here, let's say your snare sounded like crap, you can just put it down an octave and then you can put in your own pattern to fit with the rest of it. So that's what we're doing with the kick, and you can do that for any of the other elements that don't sound good. Okay, so I did that for the kick. I'm just going to change the color so I know this is lower, and then I'm just going to copy this over here. So the kick I'm probably going to change up and make it different than the rest of the beat, but I don't think I'm going to be using the 808s at all. So let's hear this switch up really quick. Alright, so let's go in and change this kick a little bit. Alright, now we're going to do some things to make the transition between those a lot easier. So I'm going to probably duck everything right around this point. We're going to have some kind of a FX. Maybe we're going to try like a drum roll or something in there as well. So I'm just going to put a couple audio effects in here. Okay, so I have a little drum fill in there right now. Another thing I'm going to go in there and add just to kind of make the drum fill a little bit softer is I'm going to add like a down riser, and then I might add like a little FX noise. Alright, so I found a little school bell that I'm going to use in here as well. So it just goes right before it. I'm going to go and find that down riser I was talking about. Okay, so this actually sounds really cool playing into the drop as well. It like changes it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into the mixer. I'm going to automate the panning when it goes in here. Alright, so I automated the volume out as well. Alright, so we're going to throw a little bit of reverb on this effect right here for the school bell, and a little bit of reverb on this shimmer as well. Alright guys, let's hear the drop now, everything we've done together. Alright guys, hope you liked that tutorial on how to make a switch up in your beats. If you like that one, smash the like button for me. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because we're uploading tutorials every single day, bruh. But besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.